Chicky, that's still a square.
What's still a square?
In your red dot down there. Is that recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think this one's gonna go off. Great ambient stuff. Unless it goes off late.
No, they do it at the same time.
How about we go around to the one at the Public Works building?
Hey, by the time we get there, it'll be done.
It'll be done, Jay.
Stick your hand out the window, make sure you get a good sound. There you go.
Filming in school.
I'm actually gonna keep my headphones on just in case this one goes off late. They have.
Where we're gonna go.
That one doesn't want to stop.
Let's get it out there. It's getting louder.